Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this program again today. Um, I have been following this man called Ordinary President. That is what he called himself. I've been following you, and this is directly to you. I want to correct some impressions that are very repugnant and barbaric. Brekete Family, that is it. That is your channel, Brekete Family, by Ordinary President. Nobody knows your name. We don't know your name. In recent time, you have been doing well. Helping people. Have been following you, and I like your program so well. I've been following you. I've been seeing what you are doing online. I've been seeing how people are having problem and how you have been solving it. Yes, I must commend you. But as a prophet, I must tell you the truth. You have crossed a Rubicon. What do I mean? You have gone to the extent you are not supposed to go. You are inciting people. You are causing problem for people. I am going to explain to you, Brekete. That is Ordinary President. That is what you call yourself. You are causing a very big problem, and I don't expect that type of statement that you have made from you, because I believe you are one of the people who are educated, well refined, who is found on the right path in the confines of law. I watched one of your videos and start seeing the blood of an ordinary illiterate in Nigeria. You were calling, I don't know, that is a Finland line. You were calling them, telling them that they should stop Simon Ekpa from killing people. In the first place is that Simon Ekpa is not the reason why people are dying in Nigeria. Simon Ekpa is not the problem in Nigeria. It's not the problem. The Nigerian government is the cause of the Nigerian problem, and which you are also coming to fuel again, so that Nigerians in the diaspora like that Finland will start having problem. Don't cause problem for Nigerians. Don't cause problem for Nigerians that are running away from Nigeria because of the bad leadership and the hardship they have imposed on them. Brekete, Ordinary President, you are eating well in Abuja. I know very well you are eating very well in Abuja. Your family is okay. But I must tell you, let this be the first and the last. You are going to talk down on a country, a sovereign state. Talk down on a country that can cause problem for other Nigerians that are living in that country. Do you think they will look at Nigerians as good people from what you have said? You opened your mouth and called a sovereign state that maintain rule of law than your country, Nigeria. You call them useless government, useless country. What does that mean? That is an insult. It is very insightful. You call a country, a sovereign country that maintain rule of law than your own country, a useless country, a useless government. Do you know what it means? It is only in Nigeria here people can open mouth and say that, and nobody will revolt. Not in a country like Finland. Besides, mind you, Simon Ekpa, go and read from the history. Simon Ekpa is not a refugee. He's not seeking asylum. Simon Ekpa is a pure citizen of Finland. Go and check. He had been a Finland army, the Finnish army. Go and check very well. A refugee, an asylum seeker, can never work as an army in a country, if you don't know, because we have a lot of illiterates in Nigeria. That is why all of our things are going left and right, left and right, left and right. We don't follow one rule. An asylum seeker doesn't enter the army. They are kept as refugees till when the problem that brought them will end. They will go back. But Finnish government did not take Simon Ekpa as And besides, when Simon Ekpa traveled to that country, from the history, Nigeria has no problem. Nigeria has no problem. So let that end in your mouth. Ordinary president, I must correct you on this issue. Simon Ekpa is not an asylum seeker. He's not a refugee in Finland. Kodogane. Besides, Simon Ekpa is not the problem of Nigeria. Okay, if you are calling Finnish government to stop Simon Ekpa from killing somebody, did Simon Ekpa carry gun and kill anybody? Is it because there is an insecurity in the southeast? Is it Simon Ekpa that is unknown gunmen? Okay, you that is calling Finnish government that is a terrorist, you should stop killing somebody. How many people have you called for the killing of people in the northwest, in the northeast? The people that is sponsoring Boko Haram, are they not in Nigeria? How many times have you called them? Is it because Simon Ekpa is an Igbo man? Let us face the truth. But the truth must be spoken. Is it because Simon Ekpa is an Igbo man? What have you done, ordinary president, to those people that are sponsoring Boko Haram to continue Boko Haram taking over the north? What have you done? My good friend, I love your program, but don't go to extreme. Don't you ever go to extreme. Don't cause problems for Nigerians. It's like when you see me now in UK, as you see me in UK, you say I'm an asylum seeker. I'm an asylum seeker. My friend, you must be joking. You must be joking. Or you see me in Kenya, now you tell me I'm an asylum seeker. Eh? You tell me I'm an asylum seeker. Kenyan government should do repatriate. Is it how it is done? The one they repatriated, the Kenya repatriated, how is it to their body? What is happening? What is exactly happening? Stop inciting countries. If Finland come against Nigerians in Finland, you are to be blamed. Stop inciting countries. Everybody will bear me witness. I must tell you the truth. You are doing a good job by solving problems of people. I've been watching you solving problems of people. But this one you have gone to, you need to apologize to Finland government. You need to apologize to them. And that young man that answered your call, you need to apologize to him. Because language is not a barrier. It's not the reason why you should insult him. Let us face the truth. Language is not the reason why you should insult that young man. You insulted the young man and insulted their government. You need to apologize to them. You think they are not seeing you. If your leg touches in Finland, if you come back, you know that you are not a Nigerian that insulted them. If you try, if you try, let your leg touch in Finland. If you come back here, I will throw away this cloth that God did not call me. If you come back to Nigeria, I will throw away this cloth. You know I'm not serving God. For the insult you have given to them, they swallowed it and they will unleash it on Nigerians. Be very careful. If you don't travel, you are good in Nigeria. Please don't cause problem for people who have traveled. Many people are suffering. This is wonderful love. Where love is proclaimed, where we speak the raw truth, no matter who else is God, where the truth is unadulterated. Please continue following me here. If you have not subscribed and this is your first time of coming across my video, whether on YouTube, on Facebook, or Instagram, or TikTok, please don't fail to subscribe and follow. God bless you.